Hey Sunrise students, welcome to Distance Learning Week 6. Mr. Waltz here. We got a pretty good challenge for you this week. Also, I got a little bit of artistic stuff you may make here with the dice. What we're going to do is, you have two things you're going to see this week on Canvas, two videos. The first video is obviously the intro and how to make the dice and some exercises to go along with it. The second video you'll see is the Hoop It Up Challenge. All right, and I'll talk about that when you get to that video. You'll see that, but I'll mention it in this video towards the end of it. First thing, we're going to be making a dice this week. All right, it's a regular dice here out of paper. I did it very simply. There's a sheet or a key that goes with it. It's okay to make mistakes. I just thought about it in my head and figured, well, I'll make this by hand. If you come over here, I'll show you how this works. These are basically all the supplies that you need. Now, I got some white out here because obviously you're bound to make a mistake or two with the dots. I'll show you the key with getting the dots straight. Basically cut two sheets of paper like this. That's all I did. Very simply, don't have to be totally equal and correct. You fold the one sheet here, kind of like that. You'll fold the other one here, all right? And that just kind of sits up like that. So if I were to do the second one, I just fold it. All right, I'll fold this one over before I actually make sure that the lines are correct. And basically, you'll use some tape and tape them together. So you'll have two pieces, essentially, that stand up like this. Well, you'll place them over top of one another, and you'll tape them together. All right, so the easiest way to do that, I found, is to lay it out and kind of tape it first, and then start making your cube, which we call our die. So it just goes like this, tape. Again, mistakes are okay. It took me a little bit to figure out how to do it and stuff, but I thought it was kind of fun making one in case you don't have one. I'd like for you to make it. I made one. I have dice here available, but I decided I was going to make one. You got a Sharpie, got some scissors. This is the key that goes with the dice. Your job is to flip it 3 times for 3 days this week. So basically for the week, you got 9 flips. Each day, flip it 3 times. If you land on the numbers, this is what the numbers stand for. So notice that number 1 stands for jump squats, 15 jump squats. Number 2 is 10 burpees. Number 3 is 50 jumping jacks. Number 4. If you land on number 4 on the dice, you got 25 mountain climbers. Number 5 is 15 laundry basket thrusters. I'll show you those. And then number 6 on the die is 12 push-ups. So this is the key. Make sure you kind of know that. You can see that in the video. You'll flip it 3 times each day. And then you'll also do the hoop challenge 3 times for the week. So essentially, you're going to flip this die for the week 9 times. And you'll do the hoop challenge 3 times to try to beat my score of 6. All right, so on this key, you can see how I kind of made the dots here that correlates with the key. The dice is not perfect. I had to use some white out because I made a mistake. Key point with the dice. How do you know which numbers go on which side? Well, opposite sides always equal 7. So if you see a 1 on this side, 6 is on the opposite side. 6 plus 1 is 7. If you see a 3 on this side, you know it's going to equal 7 when you add the other side to it. 3 plus 4. So opposite sides of the dice equals 7. And that's how you get your numbers or your dots correct on the cube or the dice. All right? The 2 things I need to show you. You guys know how to do burpees, you know how to do jumping jacks, you know how to do mountain climbers, you know how to do push-ups. Jump squats and laundry basket thrusters. For the jump squats, they kind of look like this. You'll go here, down, up. So you'll have 15 of these. It's a squat and a jump at the top. For your laundry basket thrusters, you'll hold the laundry basket here. If you have a small one, that's okay as well. You'll do a squat and essentially a shoulder press with the basket. If you want to put some laundry in here, that would be great as well. So it looks like this. I'll go down, do a squat. As I come up, my arms go up. Make sure you don't hit any ceiling fans or the ceiling or light fixtures. Be very safe with this. I'll go down, thumbs up, and a shoulder press. A squat. Come down to my chest, up towards the ceiling. So this is what we call a laundry basket thruster. So for the week, 3 times, you should roll the die 3 times for 3 days and do 3 of the basketball Hoop It Up challenges. Try to beat my score of 6.